our narrow glass door refrigerator. First off, the overall dimensions. Left to right, we have at least 15.5 inches, a depth of 17.75 inches, and overall height, we have 74 inches tall. On the inside, on the top will be the main power switch and temperature adjustment. Included will be 5 adjustable shelves, and the measurement for each shelf will include 11 inches in depth, also 11 inches in length. For the interior dimensions, we have at least 12 inches in length, a depth of at least 13.75 inches, and the overall height from the bottom to the top of the ceiling of the opening will be at least 51 inches. The LED strip will be included on the side panel. So when the refrigerator is turned on, the top and bottom will have a glowing display showcasing your products. And coming to the side, the top left corner will be your ETL certification along with the technical specification for this refrigerator. Last but not least, your standard 110/120 voltage plug. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product. Thank you.